Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Home Cooking with Dana. Today I am going to share how to make prawn toast. Minced prawns, sesame seeds and crispy bread create this wonderful appetizer. If you like this dish, give a thumbs up and subscribe to see more recipes.
Here we have all the ingredients to make our prawn toast. To make the prawn paste, I am using a food processor. Place the deveined and deshelled prawns and egg white. Egg white is going to be our binding agent. Then add finely chopped garlic, a pinch of pepper for some warmth, a pinch of salt for seasoning, and a pinch of sugar to enhance the flavors. Blend them into this consistency. It is a rough paste at this moment, and add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and blend again until we reach a smooth and thick paste. Take 3 slices of bread and cut them into small pieces. I'm cutting them into triangles. You can cut the crust of the bread, but I prefer leaving them on. Spread a generous amount of prawn paste on one side. Make sure it is evenly distributed. Then coat the paste with sesame seeds. Gently press it down so the sesame seeds will stick to the paste, just like this. Very simple process, and continue with the rest of the bread. Heat oil in a pan, and once the oil is warm, add the bread pieces. We need to keep the oil on medium to high heat as we don't want the sesame seed to get burned. And also prawn paste is going to cook very fast, so as the bread. It only takes about a couple of minutes to finish cooking on both sides. Once it is golden brown, take them out and drain them well to get rid of the excess oil. Our prawn toast are done. This is a very popular Chinese appetizer. Adults, kids all love it. Do try and enjoy. See you next time with another delicious recipe.